Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this easy quick recipe for bulgur porridge. So let's get to the recipe. So I am going to use 1 cup of bulgur wheat. A lot of people don't like bulgur wheat, but one of my favorite porridges is bulgur wheat. So after I've added my bulgur wheat, measured it, I rinsed it, and then I go ahead and put it in my pot. 4 cups of water. The water can be cold, it doesn't have to be boiled. Doesn't have to be hot. So add 1 cup of rinsed bulgur wheat and 4 cups of water. So I'm gonna go ahead now and add my sweet spices. 4 stick of cinnamon, and 6 star anise. Some people don't like star anise. I don't know why. Those of you who don't, God bless. I'm sorry. Half teaspoon of salt. Star anise is so good. I love star anise. So now I'm gonna cover it and let it come to a boil. So on medium-high heat, I let it boil for 30 minutes. So boil it until it's very soft and mushy. And bulgur wheat doesn't take too long to get mushy. You know what I mean. So when it's cooled down, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. So mine didn't have enough liquids to blend it like that, so I blended it with an additional cup of water. If you want it to be very milky, go ahead and add a cup of milk instead of water. And if you're enjoying what you're seeing so far, please hit the subscribe button, and also check me out on Instagram at Cindy's Cooking. And after I've blended it very smooth like baby food, go ahead and pour it back into the pot. I did use a Vitamix blender. I don't know if you pronounce it Vitamix or Vitamix. I don't know, whichever one. It's one of the best blenders, honestly. So when it comes to the sugar, you're gonna add, I don't know, depending on how sweet you like your porridge. If you don't like too sweet, you adjust the sugar. So I added about half a cup of sugar, and I added an additional 2 tablespoons of sugar, because I don't like my porridge to be too sweet. I like it to be just, perfect. And then I also added 1 can of evaporated milk. And the cinnamon stick and the star anise obviously couldn't be blended in the blender. I didn't want to blend them, so I put them aside. I set them aside, and I added them right back into the mixture. Excuse me. So give it a stir, and then I'm going to add some nutmeg. I am using a whole nutmeg because I feel like it's better when it's whole instead of the pre-grounded stuff, like I said before. So I grounded about half a teaspoon of fresh nutmeg, grounded nutmeg. You may use the grounded one, that's the pre-grounded one, if that's easier for you, but if you could find the whole one, I suggest, it's better. The flavor is better. It's so much better, trust me. So now I'm adding the lime skin. You may add about 1 teaspoon of lime zest instead of the lime skin, but I am just adding the lime skin because I am lazy to just ground the zest to get the zest out. So that's why I just added the lime skin, a whole lime skin. And I added 2 tablespoons of butter because the butter gave it a silk smooth texture to me and brings a lot of flavor too, a little fatty in there, and I love it. So I'm adding this Haitian almond extract in imitation. You may use pure almond extract or vanilla extract, but only add a teaspoon. So this is my secret. I am adding coconut extract. So I added half a teaspoon of coconut extract. It gives it such a delicious flavor, you guys. Just try it. It's so bomb. So you're gonna give it a quick stir and let it cook for, not really cook on low heat right now. Let it simmer for 5 minutes, because just added the butter and the lime skin too. But for better flavor with the lime skin, I suggest, that's what I'm gonna do next time. I'm gonna cook the bulgur with the lime skin before I blend it. I feel like it's gonna have a better flavor like that, I think. So this is it, guys. It's very smooth and tasty, and kids will love this. Okay, I love it. It's one of my favorite porridges, and it's ready to be served. If you guys like this recipe, it's very quick and easy. Please share with your friends, family, or stranger, no matter who you share with. And also give this video a thumbs up. And always, thank you for watching. You have a nice day. Oh, I forgot to say, this back in Haiti, when we're eating porridges, we eat porridges with bread. So this may be served with some nice fresh bread from the bakery, some hot bread. Okay, so enjoy it with bread or without bread. It's gonna be yummy. Thank you for watching.